Welcome to ShiftRich Academy, your shortcut from renter to property owner and beyond. Most people never buy their first home because they don't have the roadmap, resources, or confidence. We fix that at ShiftRich. We show you how to go from zero to your first property with house hacking, creative financing, and proven wealth building strategies. Then we teach you how to grow beyond your first property, 1, 2, 3, and more, without overcomplicating the process. Now, this is a limited time launch. We're building the most results driven real estate community on the market. And to kick it off, the first 100 members get in for free. After that, the membership will become a paid only. Spots are going fast. Once 100 seats are filled, the offer is gone for good. What you'll find inside: the 0 to 1 house hacking blueprint. Step-by-step guidance to get your first property within 6 months. Our scaling playbook, 1 to 1 plus. Learn how to leverage your first win into multiple properties using cash flow and creative deals. Deal analysis tools, ROI calculators, cash on cash breakdowns, and property analyzers that give you confidence. We also have weekly live calls and deal reviews. Get direct feedback, learn advanced strategies, and watch property breakdowns. Now, this is the community of action takers. Connect with people who've done it, are doing it, and are ready to share what works. Creative financing mastery playbooks, master seller financing, partnerships, and subject to deals to keep scaling. Who is this for? Renters ready to buy their first property? Aspiring investors looking to build a portfolio starting with house hacking? Anyone stuck after their first deal who wants a simple plan to scale? Now, why ShiftRich works? We focus on actionable steps, not theory. You'll get the education, tools, and accountability to go from 0 to 1 faster than trying to figure it out alone. Now, this isn't just a community, it's your launch pad to financial freedom and portfolio you own. Act now. Once we hit 100 members, the doors close for free access forever. I'll see you inside.